This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Paul Calandra. Expanded and remodeled home in beautiful Yacht Harbor Manor on Singer Island. Features include a modern open floor plan with a high ceiling in the living room, impact windows, doors and garage door, a new kitchen, baths with fine unique fixtures and finishes. Electrical panel, outlets, flooring, moldings, baseboards, lighting, fans, appliances, AC and duct work have been replaced, 2020 to 2021. Outside enhancements include a circular drive with pavers, great landscaping, a large hot tub, putting green, and a gazebo in a spectacular rear yard. The garage is presently used as an exercise room. A newer addition is used as a dining room, with double doors leading to the spectacular yard. Just a short walk to the Marriott, Singer Island amenities, and the beach. For more information